Hello and welcome to the Nitty Kitties channel. I'm Annie Art Netty. Now on this one, on this one I'm going to be opening this Transformers Optimus Prime. I got this for my birthday and this is more than meets the eye. Autobot, of course, chapter 2. It's by Yolopart. Diecast Optimus Prime AMK Pro Series, his 20cm model kit, and it was for the 40th anniversary, which was on the 17th of September 2025, and then my birthday was the 25th, so not far off sharing a birthday with Optimus Prime himself. Now there's instructions there, quick instructions of how to put him together. There's a stand for him. There's the instructions there, and also it's got your item number and product name, materials plastic, and there is an electronic component which goes in the helmet and lights up his eyes, and it shows you it's a button battery which is rechargeable apparently. Only can use the same or the identical battery as the recommended one. Pay attention to the polarity, of course. And then it says a non-rechargeable. I apologise, sorry. I should have known that. Non-rechargeable battery cannot be recharged, of course. It tells you then how to remove and install the battery. Do not mix old and new ones, of course. That's a silly thing to do. So shall we open it anyway? Let's stop nattering. What? That is going to be a massive gift tag, isn't it? What? Look at that! Now, my only complaint as such, if there is one, is that I think to display things like this, it's always nice if it's got a window in the box so you can display them within the box, but never mind. I'll definitely be keeping this box anyway. What a beauty. Now just so you know, on the top there is the Autobots logo, but I have previously opened it. It was me that opened it, just so you know. Now inside, let's have looked. This is what's inside it. Let's take that bit out first, and I'll show you that in a minute. So that's all of the parts there on the top, and where's his head? Oh my god, it's the Matrix. Oh god, there's his head, and his arms. Oh my god, he's such a child, honestly. Calm down. Right, and oh god, there's the axe as well, and there's the base, and oh my god, this is so cool. And there's an Autobot logo, and I love it so much. Yeah, calm down. Stop being such. There is a book somewhere with this as well. Let me just have a look for that. Right. So I do have these little models. They're made by blocks, and I think they're going to be made up to meet their friend. This is the book that came with it. So it folds out and it tells you the different stages for making Optimus Prime. How cool is that? I'm basically 5 years old again now. So silly. Page 3, page 4. Right, let's get on with it. But oh yeah, before I do, there's the information about the battery. If you want to pause and stop the video, there you go. Alright, let's get building. Good. I've got his eyes flashing. Can you see? He's not doing it now. He's gone all shy. There. It's the other way, other way, other way. Other way. Your camera shy. So you just press that on there. There. And the flashing away there. How good is that? Yeah, so for size comparison, you can put your hand down now. For size comparison, here are the blocks ones. We could do a scene from the movie. Why throw away your life so recklessly? That's a question you should ask yourself, Megatron. Oh, rip out your Uranix. Why throw away your... I've done that bit. Wait, and then... Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Who said that? I am Yolopart. I'm an idiot. Right, thank you ever so much for watching. Look, his eyes are flashing. Thank goodness for that. And yeah, big thank you. Thank you ever so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. Bye for now. I figured it out. So you get his ion blaster. Get it with this bit here. There's a magnet in it. Just gently tap. Hey, there it is. Once, continuous light. Again, flash in. Do it again, and it, I don't know what you call that. See, it fades and then back on. You get me? And then again, and they go off, and the matrix is in there as well.